Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Yamuna. Today I am going to unbox Archery Shooting Set. So this is the set. And this is the front side of it. Now I will open the box and show you. This is arrow. So we have 3 arrows. See. We have to put them inside it. And we can wear it. See. And this is the main bow. It has green light on it. See? And it changes when we press the button. Yes, sir. And now comes, wow, see. And this is our target bow. 10, 20, 50, 75, and we will keep it as 100. No. Yeah. Okay. Now we will shoot some arrows. You come on. Now I will show you how to shoot. Give an arrow, please. Thank you. See, they have a hole here. We have to put them in like this. We have to fix this with the rope. Now I am going to shoot. Wow, 50 and 20. What is it? I think it's 58. Okay, now you. Come on. Oh, that's 0. I won. Yes. So if you practice, you can hit on that center. That's 100 points. You can play like this. Hope you enjoy the video. If you enjoy the video, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Till then, goodbye.